character Sheng. In Chinese symbolizes radiance and accomplishment. We wield technology as our torch, illuminating a new vision for global industrial collaboration. With a pragmatic heart, we deliver one-stop customized services to every corner of the globe. Today, LTMG has established a robust ecosystem, driven by the synergistic development of 4 major brands and over 10 subsidiaries. We are united by a shared conviction, transcending geographical boundaries with an open and inclusive spirit.
Amidst the global tide of the construction machinery industry, we stand with our clients worldwide to embark on this journey toward shared prosperity and success. We fully understand that for builders, time is productivity. Therefore, with OEM IODM at our core, we have built an in-depth service ecosystem, upholding our commitment to lightning-fast responses for every customer need.
Drawing on our 2 smart manufacturing bases in Xiamen and Shandong, LTMG integrates digital systems throughout the entire production process, ensuring clarity and precision in every stage: design, manufacturing, and inspection. From the first blueprint to the precision fit of every component, from the seamless handover of complete units to the rapid support of our after-sales team. Even when locations are remote and operating conditions complex, LTMG remains fully committed to ensuring the stable operation of every machine. Light transcends borders by spreading, power travels distances by uniting. Guided by market demand, we continuously expand our product portfolio. Covering 35 major categories, we provide forklifts, loaders, excavators, and more. We serve agriculture, industry, construction, and other sectors, leading in online sales. Our forklifts have ranked first in China for 8 consecutive years. We drive the future with advanced technology and align with the world through innovation. Active in premier global trade shows, LTMG demonstrates the power of intelligent manufacturing in China. Today, LTMG's footprint spans over 180 countries and regions worldwide. Through in-depth customized services, we ensure our equipment precisely adapts to local working conditions. Our global trade network ensures that we can transcend geographical boundaries to provide builders with the most comprehensive supply chain support. Light not only illuminates the distance, but also conveys warmth. At LTMG, we place humanistic care at the core of our approach, establishing a comprehensive talent development system that empowers every member of our team with comprehensive support and security. This warmth extends from within, reaching far beyond.
We deeply integrate the concept of public welfare into our corporate development, carrying out targeted charitable initiatives and contributing through practical actions to the cause of education. We actively participate in overseas construction aid projects, turning machinery into a bridge of light that connects hearts.
We integrate green manufacturing into every process, provide complementary training and technical support to ensure customers utilize their equipment effectively. Responsibility is not an optional extra, but the inner strength that drives LTMG's upward growth. We let the brilliance of our enterprise shine beyond commercial success, illuminating the true weight of social value. Light never rises alone. The road stretches further when we walk together. LTMG transforms every client's trust into the driving force behind our global growth. We stand shoulder to shoulder with our global partners, marching towards the future together. We firmly believe that when pioneering technology, rigorous responsibility, and profound trust converge, The radiance of LTMG will illuminate every corner of the global construction landscape.